Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to replace your windshield wiper refills in 2024 guide. When was the last time you thought about your windshield wipers? If the answer isn't recent, you might be risking your safety on the road. Proper visibility during rain or snow is crucial, and worn-out wipers can create dangerous conditions. In this video, we'll explore why maintaining your windshield wipers is essential for safe driving and how you can easily replace them. You'll also discover the latest trends in wiper replacement for 2024, ensuring you're equipped with the best options available. Don't wait until the next storm arrives. Let's get your visibility covered. Understanding windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are essential for clear visibility while driving. These ingenious devices remove rain, snow, and debris from your windshield, allowing you to see the road clearly. Understanding how windshield wipers work and knowing their components and types can help you make informed choices when it comes to replacements and maintenance. Let's break down their anatomy and types to get a clearer picture. Components of windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are made up of several key parts, each playing a crucial role in their operation. Here's a closer look at the main components. Wiper blade. The most visible part of the wiper system, the blade is what actually touches the glass. It has a rubber edge that moves back and forth to sweep away water and grime. The condition of the blade is vital. Worn or damaged blades can leave streaks and obstruct your view. Wiper arm. The arm connects the blade to the wiper motor. It acts like a lever, pushing and pulling the wiper blade across the windshield. If the arm is bent or not securely attached, the blade won't make full contact with the glass, reducing effectiveness. Wiper motor. This motor is the powerhouse behind the wiper system. It drives the wiper arms and controls their movement. A malfunctioning motor can lead to slow or erratic wiper motion, which can be dangerous in inclement weather. Linkage. This component connects the wiper arms to the motor, transferring movement from the motor to the blades. If the linkage becomes damaged, the wipers may not function at all. These parts work together in harmony, much like a well-oiled machine, to keep your windshield clear and your visibility sharp. Types of windshield wipers. Not all windshield wipers are created equal, and knowing the different types can help you choose the right one for your vehicle. Here's a quick overview of the main types. Traditional wipers. These are the most common type. They consist of a metal frame that holds the rubber blade. While they are often more affordable, they can be less effective in heavy rain if the rubber wears out quickly. Beam wipers. Beam wipers lack the internal frame that traditional wipers have. Instead, they are made of a single piece of rubber that conforms closely to the windshield. This design allows for better contact with the glass, leading to more effective cleaning, especially on curved windshields. Hybrid wipers. Combining features from both traditional and beam wipers, hybrid wipers offer versatility. They have a sturdy frame for support but also include a rubber blade that maintains contact with the windshield. This type delivers excellent performance in diverse weather conditions. Winter wipers. Designed specifically for harsh winter conditions, these wipers have a heavier frame and a thicker rubber blade. They are made to resist ice and snow buildup, ensuring reliability when you need it most. When choosing windshield wipers, consider factors like climate, frequency of use, and your vehicle's specific requirements. A well-chosen wiper can greatly enhance driving safety, especially during sudden weather changes. Signs that wiper replacement is needed. It's easy to forget about windshield wipers until they start causing problems. Over time, wipers wear down and can affect your visibility. Here are some key signs that indicate it's time for a wiper replacement. Common symptoms of worn wipers. When your windshield wipers are worn, they won't perform effectively. Recognizing the signs early can help you avoid dangerous driving conditions. Here are the most common symptoms to look out for. Streaking. If you notice streaks on your windshield after a wipe, the rubber blade may be damaged. This can obscure your view and make driving unsafe. Skipping. Wipers that skip across the windshield are a clear sign of wear. They might not make full contact with the glass, leaving spots untouched. Unusual sounds. When your wipers squeak or chatter, it indicates they are struggling to clean the glass. This noise can be annoying and signals it's time for a change. Cracks or tears. Inspect the rubber blades. If you see any cracks, tears, or deterioration, replacing them is essential to maintaining visibility. Rigid or hardened rubber. If the rubber feels hard or brittle, it won't make proper contact with your windshield. This greatly reduces effectiveness. Assess these symptoms regularly, especially during rainy or snowy seasons, to ensure that your wipers are working correctly. Manufacturer recommendations. Manufacturers typically suggest replacing windshield wipers every 6 to 12 months. This timeframe can vary based on several factors, including usage and environmental conditions. Here are some things to consider. Usage frequency. If you use your wipers frequently, you may need to replace them more often. Constant use can lead to quicker wear. Climate impact. In wet climates, wipers endure more stress. Conversely, those living in dry or dusty areas may find their wipers wear down due to debris. Seasonal changes. Different seasons can put additional strain on your wipers. Hot summers can cause the rubber to dry out, while cold winters might lead to ice buildup. Routine checks. Regularly inspect your wipers, especially if you notice any performance issues. Keeping an eye on them can help you catch wear before it becomes a problem. By staying aware of these factors and following manufacturer recommendations, you can ensure your windshield wipers remain in top condition. Choosing the right wiper refill. Choosing the right windshield wiper refill is essential for ensuring clear visibility during rain or snow. With so many options out there, it can be confusing. However, understanding the basics can make the process simpler. Let's break down the key factors to consider when selecting the perfect wiper refill for your vehicle. Understanding wiper size and fit. The first step in choosing a wiper refill is knowing the correct size that fits your vehicle. Wipers come in different lengths, and using the wrong size can lead to poor performance or even damage. Here's how to determine the right size. Check the owner's manual. Your vehicle's manual often lists the correct sizes for wiper blades. This is a reliable source of information. Measure the old wiper. If you can't find the manual, measure your existing wipers from end to end. Use a tape measure for accuracy. Visit an auto parts store. Many stores have guides or charts that show the correct sizes for various makes and models. The staff can also help you if you're unsure. Online resources. Websites and apps often have tools where you can input your vehicle's make, model, and year to find the correct wiper size. By determining the right size, you ensure that the wipers will fit snugly and operate effectively. Material considerations. Another important factor is the material of the wiper refills. Different materials have unique benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to understand your options. Rubber wiper blades. Pros. Generally less expensive. Offer decent performance in many conditions. Cons. Tend to wear out faster than other materials. Can crack or become stiff in extreme temperatures. Silicone wiper blades. Pros. More durable and longer lasting compared to rubber. Better at handling extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. Provide quieter operation. Cons. Typically more expensive. May not fit all wiper arms. When selecting the material, think about your local weather conditions and how often you drive. Silicone blades might be worth the investment if you live in an area with harsh winters or hot summers. Paying attention to size and material can make a big difference in your wiper performance. Take the time to consider both factors before making a purchase to ensure you have the best visibility on the road. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your windshield wiper refills and are ready to take on any weather. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover some additional tips to make this process even smoother. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.